Hi guys, I am Niva. I'm going to teach you the 2 times table. You're going to do the 2 times table up to 12. In every question, we are going to count 2. So, we're going to start 2 times 1. On our fingers, we need to count 2. 1, 2. Now our answer is 2. We're going to go on to 2 times 2. We got 2 and now you're going to count 2. 3, 4. Now our answer is 4. We're going to go on to 2 times 3. We got 4 and now you're going to count 2 more again. 5, 6. Now our answer is 6. We are going to go on to 2 times 4. We got 6 and now you're going to count 2 more. 7, 8. Now our answer is 8. We're going to go on to 2 times 5. We got 8 and now you're going to count 2 more again. 9, 10. Now our answer is 10. We're going to go on to 2 times 6. We got 10 and now you can count 2 more again. 11, 12. Now our answer is 12. We are almost there. We have gone halfway through. Now we are on 2 times 7. We got 12 and now you're going to count 2 more again. 13, 14. Now our answer is 14. You're going to go on to 2 times 8. We got 14 and now you can count 2 more again. 15, 16. Now our answer is 16. We got 16 and now you can count 2 more again. 17, 18. Now our answer is 18. We're going to go on to 2 times 10. We got 18. Now you can count 2 more again. 19, 20. Now our answer is 20. We're going to go on to 2 times 11. We got 20 and now you can count 2 more again. 21, 22. Now our answer is 22. We're going to go on to 2 times 12. We got 22 and now we can count 2 more again. 23, 24. Now our answer is 24. Thanks guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel.